Welcome, hello, how are you? How's everything? This is Mahmoud Mukhtar, and today we talk about top 5 speed reading tips. These tips will help you a lot to increase your reading speed. Now let's go to the first one, which is to use your hands as a guide. This might look like very silly, but it's really speed reading speed up to 20 or 30%. Now, this is if you're reading a book, a hard copy one. But if you're reading on a PC or a laptop or any technological device, that would be really embarrassing to put your finger on the screen and go ahead. Oh man, come on. For this, I'll be telling you a real good tool to use for this by the end of the video. So follow up now. Let's go to the next one, which is to vary your reading speed. So if you're reading an article or something, it's really important to read the first sentence or two sentences really slowly so you have a clear idea about what this paragraph is talking about. Now you can go ahead and read fast without affecting your comprehension. You do this for every new paragraph you start reading. Now let's go for the third one. And for this, you need a stopwatch. Go ahead, read whatever you want to read, whatever it takes, like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it's fine. But after you finish reading, go ahead and read it again in half of the time. Boy. Now, fourth one is use the multiple reading process. That means you go ahead, read the introduction. This will tell you about what you will read. And now go ahead and read the conclusion. And this is supposed to represent what you have already read. And now you're just missing what is in between. And for this, go ahead and read the headings. Now you have a clear idea about all of it. Your comprehension will be really cool and high when you read after this. It's not gonna take time. Then let's go for the tool I've told you about in the beginning of this video, which is AccelaReader. And this is really nice tool. It's really amazing. If you're reading online now, just copy and paste the text you're reading on this box. Let's go ahead and see how it goes. Yeah, that's it. Here we go. This is the welcoming message you'll find once you go to the website. I will link the website URL down in the description box. Don't forget to give this video some likes and share it with your friends if you like it. Now subscribe. Anyway, let's go to this one. Now this is the text that we're gonna be reading. Let's begin. Before you begin, go ahead for settings. These are the settings I like. I like to read 150 words a minute, 3 words appear at a time. You can make it 2, 4, 10, whatever you want. And yeah, go ahead and have a look for this. It's not that important. Anyway, go ahead and start reading. To get started, just copy and paste the text that you would like to read in this text box. AccelaReader will help you read faster, and so on. Oh, this is really fast. Okay, go ahead, click the down button. This will decrease how fast you read %. Now see, it's just 100 words per minute. It goes up and down 25 words per minute. Whatever. Anyway. So you click down. Oh no, this is really slow. Go up higher. Now it's really going really fast. If this is still happening. And the R means to start again. Yeah, this is starting from the beginning, but it's really fast because it's 200 words a minute, and so on and so on. That was it all about reading and reading fast. Now go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with others who are interested in reading, especially in current days. We are locked down at homes. Finish all books you've been delaying for reading. These are my links. Okay, that was me. Many thanks for watching the video till the end. Good job, you got a new tool to use for reading. If you have any other useful tools for reading, listening, speaking, and whatever the tool, yeah, go ahead. Let me know about it. If you want to go and enhance any other skills, let me know. And see you in upcoming video.